Back with first trades right here in ET now. Well, the first trades have picked up a little bit thanks to names like Reliance, the rebound in IT. But the one stock which has really been languishing today is Som Distilleries after the application for the grant of the excise license for the Bhopal plant got rejected. Let's try and understand this a little bit better. We've got the chairman, Mr. J.K. Arora, joining in on the show right now. Mr. Arora, great to have you today on ET now. Thank you so much for your time. Firstly, help us understand, Mr. Arora, what led to this rejection for your Bhopal plant?
You see, I would say it's more of a typical bureaucratic approach that the smallest thing, they take it into they don't consider that what the industry is all about, what the revenue is suffering, what the people are suffering. They smallest technical things, they take it to the you know means like you have an approach that whether the glass is half empty or half full, so you always say it's half empty. So it is what is your perspective about the things. But we have full faith in the system, we have full faith in the legal remedy. And this thing, we are today approaching the High Court of Madhya Pradesh, and we hope that something proper will come.
Interesting. And yeah, absolutely. Sometimes, things do stretch to extremities, and I completely get that. So you did talk about legal remedies being available right now. Typically, how long can this take? And do you hope at any point to actually get approval for the Bhopal unit?
Yeah, there's no two-way about it. We have not done anything wrong. Absolutely, I am 200% sure that nothing will go wrong. This is the only thing is that they have been saying, yes, we are considering, we are considering, we are considering. So we have been, we not want to have the on the direct confrontation with the government, because our business is highly regulated business. So we always have to take the government instructions, regulations on the top priority. So they were saying we are considering, we have found it all right, your reply is okay, we are good with it. This all these things they were saying. This is a committee we have formed. Let the report come. We are examining it. All that thing, this thing. So now the things are, since they have found it a bit uncomfortable. So I said, you do it now. Whether you do it or reject it, I don't mind. So the better for us would be to reject. I said, you reject. Let us go to the right forum, because I can't have the, for the innocent, my workers, employees, and my vendors, I cannot be this thing. We are approaching the court today, and I am pretty sure that nothing will go wrong, and we'll get it in our favor.
Right. Mr. Arora, how quickly can you reverse this? Because this clearly seems to be something which was flagged to you, and you were aware of what the reservations were from the compliance side of things, and you were okay with this getting rejected, and therefore, what's the kind of timeline that you see in terms of repair work on this front?
We are actually approaching the court today itself, and this thing we will be know in another half an hour time what's going to be when is our case is going to be listed for hearing. So we have requested either for today or tomorrow. So let us see what happens. This is in another half an hour time. Court will fix the date.
This rejection were to stay put, does it change any of the numbers on ground in terms of guidances that you have given, both on the margin as well as on the top line growth front?
Yes, that has been affected primarily because the major season is for the beer businesses April, May, June, which has been affected heavily. So our UP plant has started, our Karnataka is doing very well, Odisha is doing very, very well. All those units are doing pretty well, but the major contribution was from Bhopal. That's why this got affected. Actually, they were saying that we are doing it, so that's why we didn't approach the Madhya Pradesh market to be feeded from any other plant. So we said it's happening. So some top line, bottom line is affected, but we hope to cover it in the coming time. So of course the numbers would not remain the same as we have given that guidance in the past, but it is overall company performance would be more than what we have expected in the business. Yeah.
Right. Mr. Arora, how much will the impact be? So you're suggesting that there is likely to be some impact, some of the impact will get bridged. What's the probably best case?
You can say
will
about
it be 10%
25%.
lower than your guidance?
25%, I would say 25%, because it's April, May, June is the
Correct.
35% of the total business. So 10% we will cover it in the rest of the period, and 25% will be affected.
Mr. Arora, if you can give us a sense of whether you can shift some of the production to some other plants in other states as well, or this production cannot be replicated to other plants, or you.
No, like our major markets, like our Delhi market and other markets of this thing, we have shifted to the UP plant because UP plant is comparatively new and having sufficient capacity. So all our export market out of Madhya Pradesh, we have shifted to UP. So that will cover this thing. Only Madhya Pradesh market, where we are the leaders, we had about 45% market share. One bottle we are selling, in all the companies put together, they were selling one bottle. So that kind of major share we had in the state. So that part will be suffered, as I said. So it will be for our Bhopal plant, the contribution would be less, about 25% over the last year.
Okay, Mr. Arora, thank you so much for your time and good luck once again. We hope to speak with you as and when there are material developments in the Bhopal unit.
Thank you. Thanks for clarifying the matter to our shareholders and the people associated with the company. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Thank you. Okay, on that note, we're going to take a very quick break. We'll be right back and we're going to be having a lot more lined up on the show, but on the other side of this very quick break.